Hey everybody, as the title suggests here, I'm going to do a quick video on an easy way to get arbors off of hole saws. And you'll need a vise or some kind of way to hold the hole saw, a drill or an impact. And then for like the hole saw arbors that come with most of the hole saw kits you'll find at the hardware stores, a 9mm socket actually fits that. And then this is a Diablo quick release. It's the snap lock here. Pretty awesome tool, but this actually needs an 11/16 socket, which fits over that. So let me go ahead and just relocate to my vise, and I'll show you how to pop those off real quick. All right, so just gonna put the hole saw in the vise like so. And if you're gonna use this hole saws anymore, you're gonna be careful not to actually compress them and ruin the shape on them. This is going in the trash here as soon as I get the arbor off of it. And 7mm on my impact, and pop it right off just like that. Much easier than fighting with pliers or channel locks or vice grips and screwdriver, all the different ways people get these off. And now I'm going to pop in the ones that use the Diablo quick releases, and just same thing, just put the bigger socket on. 11/16 and takes it right off in seconds here. One more to do. And right off. So that's the easiest way I've ever found to get arbors off of hole saws. If you have questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And if you guys like this stuff, think it's worth a follow, then go ahead and do that too. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.